Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Metamask account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on in the screen, where you can see the settings option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that settings option and now you can see the security and privacy option at second. So select that option, and now you need to scroll a little bit down till the end, and now you can see the delete wallet option. So you need to select the delete wallet, and now finally tap on the I understood continue, and you will be able to delete your Metamask account successfully. So basically this is how you can delete your Metamask account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.